What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Telcoin. But before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so Telcoin, as you guys know, I have been talking about this coin for quite some time now, and especially as price started to do this ABC correction right here, I was talking about Telcoin as a very good investment this cycle. Now, recently we saw a huge move off of these lows, so this is exactly what I've been watching for and expecting for this coin. I definitely wanted to see a strong reversal off of these lower support levels down here in preparation for a bigger picture reversal. So I really like the way that looks. Also, if you go a little bit higher time frame to like the 3-day time frame, you can see a huge double bottom pattern forming here on Telcoin. So we have our first bottom right here and our second bottom right here, and we're coming up to break through the neckline of this double bottom pattern. So that's a super profitable pattern and a strong signal that this coin is reversing. Very similar actually to what happened to Dogecoin. So if you haven't been watching Dogecoin on the smaller time frames, maybe you just have looked at it in the bigger picture, you can see this is the double bottom that formed on Dogecoin. So if we look over here on the right, here's Dogecoin, and over here on the left is Telcoin. You can see that really that same structure formed in both of these markets. You have a low right here, you have another low right here. It's a higher low and the market won't break below that support level. So it starts to turn around, breaks out through the neckline of the double bottom and really starts to take off here. So a super common structure here in crypto to have this double bottom structure, especially at the end of a big bear market. And as you guys know, crypto did see a pretty big bear market between 2022 and 2021 and even 2023. So there was a lot of downside for crypto after everything had pumped really hard in 2021 at the beginning of the year. So at the end of a big bear market, you want to see some type of big double bottom structure. That's exactly what we see here with Telcoin. So this is super common to see a big double bottom like we saw on Dogecoin. We're also seeing the same thing for Telcoin. Now, if we pull up the Ethereum chart here, because actually Telcoin looks a lot like Ethereum before Ethereum broke out last cycle. So if you look right here of Ethereum over here on the right and Telcoin over there on the left, you can see pretty quickly what I'm talking about here. You can see this huge ABC correction down on Telcoin and also on Ethereum. They both did that big ABC correction down. Then you can see Ethereum also did a double bottom structure. Ethereum had its low right here, another low right here, and then a resistance level right here, the neckline. We broke above that and price went all the way to a new all-time high. So that was a super profitable, impulsive, bullish move that the market made after a double bottom pattern. And this is just what Dogecoin just did too. It broke out of a double bottom pattern. So a lot of the coins are breaking out of these double bottoms, and this is super good for the big picture here on Telcoin. I do think we will see a big move here for Telcoin. And just to further bring this point home a little bit, if you even go to the 10-day on Telcoin, and let's bring back Dogecoin over here on the right, you're going to see very quickly what I mean by the same big picture market structure is forming on both of these coins. And the same thing is really happening because of a reversal out of this bear market. We're headed into a bull market. That's what's happening for crypto. And so a lot of coins are double bottoming. And that's what this transition is looking like. We're getting these huge vertical breakouts like XLM, Dogecoin, because they're bottoming out. The bear market is turning into a bull market on these altcoins. So I think that's exactly what's coming here for Telcoin. So you can get this with Uniswap. Download Uniswap and swap some Ethereum for Telcoin pretty easily. And maybe if you don't have any, consider looking at it. This is a really good setup here on Telcoin. And I think it's going to be very impulsive and very profitable. The percentage gains are huge for Telcoin. So I really like this setup here for Telcoin. So yeah, that's my view. The bigger picture looks like it's ready for a big reversal. The smaller time frames are starting to reverse. The market is looking very good. And Telcoin is definitely one of those coins I think is going to be a big player just like Dogecoin. The chart looks perfect and the percentage gains are bigger than Dogecoin or even XRP or XLM in terms of percentage to my targets, my Fibonacci ratios in comparison to Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin targets are very high and the risk is a little bit higher with Telcoin. Well, it's lower with Dogecoin. So you have to be aware of risk management. I wouldn't tell someone to go all in on Telcoin. I'd tell them to have a bigger stack of Dogecoin and buy some Telcoin. But this thing is a really good opportunity to make a lot of money very quickly. And yeah, it's a little bit higher risk than some of the other setups, but that risk, the reward is also equal to that risk. So it's worth having at least a position on Telcoin. So yeah, I like this setup a lot, and I'm super excited about the bull market, you guys. There's only one more day left of the Black Friday sale, so tomorrow will be the last day. So make sure that you guys look in the description of this video. I've been running a sale on the lifetime VIP as well as the one-on-one coaching. It's a 50% off sale, so definitely use that coupon code while you still can to join either the lifetime program or the one-on-one coaching program. And yeah, so definitely take advantage of that while you can. There's not a lot of slots left in the one-on-one coaching program, so make sure that you apply because it does take a lot of time to coach you guys. So I can't have a whole bunch of people in the program. It just doesn't make sense. So definitely look in the description box. You can use that coupon code and get signed up for 50% off on the one-on-one coaching. Or you can join the lifetime too and get the signals. The one-on-one coaching has both of those combined, but the lifetime is just lifetime VIP signals and the community VIP section. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'm thankful for you guys and crypto in this channel, and I'm super excited about the future. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.